Hello, Namaste. I'm Navin Kumar BS, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic Raichur, Department of Technical Education, Bangalore. So today, this is the opportunity created by Department of Technical Education. So in order to have a video on building planning and drawing. In building planning and drawing, I have selected a tiny part, that is preparation of site plan and line diagrams. So today I will go into this session. I will going to teach you how to prepare line diagrams for hostel building and primary health center. So now at this stage, we want to know what is the basic difference between line diagram and a plan. So there is a marginal difference between line diagram and a plan. In line diagram, the name itself indicating we're going to prepare the diagram by using lines. So in line diagram, it consists of dimensional details and then openings like doors, windows, ventilators, and so on. And then the title of the diagram will be given at the top, and north direction will be mentioned at the right top corner. In plan, what is the basic difference then? In plan, we will going to mention the wall thickness and all the details. In line diagram, we will going to exclude the wall thickness and the rest part will be written as it is. So this is a basic difference. And again, one more question it arises. So what is the necessity of preparing line diagram? That means these are primary drawing, or we're going to prepare approximately what are the dimensions we have to incorporate, or what are the necessity amenities we have to incorporate in this drawing. We're going to prepare a number of line diagrams, and then we're going to finalize, and then we're going to prepare a plan. So this will be more advantageous to prepare a plan. So now I will going to explain about hostel building. What are the things it consists of? So we can see here, these are the details it must consist of. So normally a building or a plan can be prepared in many ways. It can be closed loop or it can be open loop. So here you can observe these are open loop type. These of shape L shape, and sometimes we can prepare C shape, or sometimes we can prepare T, or sometimes we can prepare H. So it depends on the designer or the draft preparer or engineer. So these are the open type buildings or plans, or in other words, in other way, we can prepare closed loops like a regular shape like square shape, or it may be a rectangular shape, or it may be a circular shape. There will be different shapes. We can prepare drawings in different shapes. So this will be open and this will be closed loop. Right. So in hostel buildings, first we have to know what are the things we have to include in this diagram or the hostel building. Mm, Here you can memorize these things. So it consists of a corridor and then a number of rooms. Number of rooms may vary, and warden room will be there. So these are mandatory we have to provide. And office room will be there, and dining hall will be there, and we have to provide kitchen, and then beside to that we have to provide a pantry, and then sanitary. In that we will want to provide toilet and bathroom. So these are the basic things we have to add in hostel building. So again, it depends on a ladies hostel or boys hostel. It varies. So here I have prepared a slide or presentation. You can observe here. So you can observe the entrance part, and then second one is a room, and third one is also room, and fourth one. So it is warden room, and here you can observe the kitchen, and this is dining hall. We have to provide there. and this for recreational purpose. It may be indoor or it may be outdoor. So these are sanitation purpose. Like these are basic amenity we have to provide: toilets and bathrooms. So utility area. Right. So these are the basic things we have to include in hostel building. So there are basic bylaws we have to memorize in order to prepare the line diagram. So entrance, so it must be of wide 3 meter. We're going to provide collapsible door. Normally we're going to provide collapsible doors of 3 meter, and then rooms dimensions will be as per bylaws. So it will be like this: 9.5 meters square per person for single person. If in the room there are two persons, then it will be limited to 7.5 meters square per person. If three persons are, we have to accommodate three persons, then it will be limited to 7 meters square per person. So these are based on this, we will going to decide the dimensions of the rooms, right? And here I am going to tell you a important thing, and this is a very basic thing we have to uh, know. Why? Because memorizing is not an important thing. We have to know the basic things. So here they have given one water closet for 10 boys and one water closet for 8 girls. So here number of toilets and number of number of bathrooms will be decided based on some simple calculations or common sense. So now when if you want to calculate the number of toilets, I will tell you one example, simple example. In a hostel building, there are 100 students are staying. ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 100 ಜನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಒಂದು 6 ಅವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂದ ಶುರುವಾದ್ರೆ 8 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2 ಅವರ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಒಂದು ಒಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, if he requires 15 minutes or she requires 15 minutes to complete her daily things, so 15 minutes 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಕಾಮಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ and basic calculation. Based on that, we will go to decide how much toilets or how bathrooms we have to provide. So I will tell you now, 100 ಜನ 15 ನಿಮಿಷ, 100 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, so what about the calculation? So just a minute, calculate and I will write there. So it comes around 6.66. So I will take this as 7. So I will take this as 7. 7 means, so 100 minutes. No, sorry. Number of hours, number of minutes, it will be 2 into 60. So 120. 120 by 15. 120 by 15. So it will be 8. So number of hours, I mean minutes divided by the minutes consumed by each person. If you divide this, so it comes around 8. Nothing but you require around okay, 100 divided by 8. That means, so in 2 hours, if you provide one toilet, it will take 8 peoples. Or 1 divided by 8, 100 divided by 8. So it takes around 12.5. I will take this as 13. So that means if you want to accommodate for 100 students, you require 13 number of toilets. So this is a basic calculation and this is a very simple calculation.